Hello everyone, I am Ghulam Abbas. I hope you guys are fine and doing great. In this video, I am going to show you how you can sign in your Windows using the Windows Insider program. So open the start menu and then go to the settings, and after that one go to the Windows update, and down there you will see that Windows Insider program. Simply click on it. Okay, now you can see that to join the Insider program you have to basically click get started from here, and then you have to link an account. Okay, at the moment I do not have linked. Basically, I'm not signed in with the Microsoft account or Windows Insider program account. You have to go ahead and create an account for yourself inside the Microsoft's website. So at the moment I'm going to simply type the login credentials. Okay, the first step is completed. Okay, here is the second step. It is saying that choose an insider channel. So basically, Microsoft is recommending that do you have to use the beta channel, and because it is the most stable version after the dev channel. And dev channel is mostly it is you can get updates from Microsoft every week, but it is not very stable, so I am not recommending you to use it. But since I'm using the Windows 11 in the dev channel, I will choose the dev channel and then click continue, but you do not use that one. It's again giving you a warning that dev channel is not very stable. You'll need to take backup of your computer. It's saying that review of the agreements for your device and then click continue, and now restart now or restart later. Okay, here you can see that I have simply enrolled in the Windows Insider program in the Windows 11. So you have to, if you do not have insider account, just simply come here, insider.windows.com. I think that was the URL. I do not remember very clearly. Yeah, it is. You have to come here and simply go on sign up here, and you will get the latest version of the Windows 11 in the dev channel. That's all. Okay, simply click restart now and you will be enrolled in the Windows Insider program. So have a nice day and goodbye.